Dear friends, today I want to discuss about one business opportunity, that is cleaning chemicals. What are the cleaning chemicals and which type of cleaning it will do, and what are the profits, and all these we can discuss now. The same concept is there in my website also. That website link I will give in my description also. Once if you click that link, directly you will go to my web page also. You can see there also. That is the information. Cleaning chemicals are used in the cleaning industry. They are useful for washing utensils, hard surfaces, cloths and toilets. The chemical could be liquid, soap or powdery substance. You need to choose a specific type of product and formulate. Knowledge of cleaning chemicals manufacturing is essential. The type of equipment, chemicals and solutions depends on the chemical you want to produce. What chemicals are cleaning? Common cleaning agents are water, the most common cleaning agent, which is very powerful polar solvent, and soap or detergent, ammonia solution also, ammonia soaps also will be available. You can see those also. Calcium, especially ammonia soaps will be used for car mechanics and diesel mechanics. Cloths should be cleaned, means should be washed, means definitely they will use ammonia soaps only. Then only it will be cleaned very well. Only for such things only they will use ammonia soaps. And calcium hypochlorite, chlorite, that powdered bleach, citric acid, sodium hypochlorite, liquid bleach. Liquid bleach is sodium hypochlorite, and sodium hydroxide, lye, that is lye, and acetic acid, that is nothing but vinegar. What are the four categories of cleaning agents? There are four main types of cleaning agents used in commercial kitchens: detergents, degreasers, abrasives and acids. These are the most commonly used cleaning agents in kitchen or home. What is the safest cleaning product? 6 cleaning products that are safe to use throughout the house. Honest Essentials bundle. Give yourself peace of mind by cleaning your entire home with gentle products from the Honest company. The Real Simple Cleaner, clean lavender dish soap, Mrs. and Aunt Fanny's cleaning vinegar soap wipes, Better Life all-purpose cleaner, Purell multi-surface disinfectant spray. All these are the safest cleaning products. What is the best homemade cleaning solution? Homemade all-purpose cleaner, one thing is there, and 3/4 cup of hydrogen peroxide and half cup distilled white vinegar, 1 teaspoon unscented liquid castile soap, 10 drops tea tree oil and 20 drops lavender essential oil, 2 cups water. This is the homemade cleaning solution for making. What household cleaning products can kill you? Bleach and ammonia is equal to toxic chloramine vapor. Bleach and ammonia are two common household cleaners that should never be mixed. Bleach and rubbing alcohol is equal to toxic chloroform. Bleach and vinegar is equal to toxic chlorine gas. Vinegar and peroxide, parasitic acid. Peroxide and henna hair dye is equal to hair nightmare. What is the most dangerous household chemicals? 5 most dangerous household chemicals. Ammonia fumes are a powerful irritant, potentially harming your skin, eyes, nose, lungs and throat. Bleach, another useful but dangerous cleaner. Bleach also has strong corrosive properties that can do serious damage to the human body. Antifreeze, drain cleaners, air fresheners. These are the most dangerous household chemical. what are the examples of cleaning materials? There are basic specialized cleaning products which should be in your cleaning cupboard, as they are likely to solve most of your cleaning issues. Bleach, toilet cleaner, bathroom cleaner, antibacterial cleaner, window cleaner, floor cleaner, laundry detergent, fabric softener are there. Which of these is the most powerful cleaner? Acids. Acid cleaners are the most powerful type of cleaning agent and should be used with care. Should be used with care. If they are not diluted correctly, acid cleaners can be very poisonous and corrosive. Especially for acid cleaning in bathrooms also, it is dangerous to eyes. Only diluted acid bottles are there in provisions shops also you can get it. By that diluted acid bottle means by using also one drop may skip on your foot also, it will not harm to your skin. But concentrated acid bottles means it is dangerous to the skin and as well as to your eyes also. So be careful that, and use slowly while putting in the on the toilet or on the bathroom also. Diluted acid bottles is better, and use slowly, then it will be comfortable to you and it is safe to your health also. What is the best natural disinfectant? Natural disinfectants: alcohol, borax, citric acid, steam cleaner, hydrogen peroxide. Honorable mention: thymol and thyme oil, that will also be called as thyme oil. What is the best natural bathroom cleaner? If not, there are other natural options that work great too. A 50-50 vinegar water solution will clean tile. Vinegar with water solution 50-50, that will be half is the vinegar and half is the water. If you mix likewise, it will clean tiles, counters, cabinets, fronts, and soap scum in the shower. A baking soda and water paste will clean stuck on gunk on the shower and tub. Instead of water for really tough stains, for removing tough stains, what you should do? You should use baking soda with water, like a paste. If you apply that paste, it will clear all types of stains also, but not so much, a small quantity I am saying. How do you make homemade antibacterial cleaner? For an antibacterial cleaner, mix together 3 cups of water, half cup of white vinegar, and 15 drops of lavender or tea tree essential oil in a glass spray bottle. Shake to mix. Store with the lid on and use on cutting boards, countertops, or anywhere that needs to go a good germ killing. I will say one thing also, that I am also preparing the notes to explain you. Already it may be there in the web page also. I give the link in description also. Even though YouTube video is there, means it is easy to understand. So that what I am doing, important points I am also noting. By that notes only I am able to explain everything without any forget. But process I know that, even though if notes is there, I will not forget any technical terms and all these. What is the kitchen cleaning product? Clorox cleanup, disinfectant bleach cleaner, Lysol antibacterial kitchen cleaner, Fabuloso multi-use cleaner, CVS cleaner with bleach, 7th generation natural glass and surface cleaner, free and clear, steel wool soap pads, cleans toss small size pads. What cleaning products do professional cleaners use? 8 cleaning products that professional swear by: all purpose cleaner 1/8, all purpose cleaner 1/8, and microfiber cloths 2/8, white vinegar 3/8, and totally 8 products are required. Cleaning products do professional cleaners use is, those are all purpose cleaner 1, and the second one is microfiber cloth, white vinegar and baking soda, tub and tile cleaner, glass and surface cleaner, versatile vacuum, and rubber gloves. These are the basic products for cleaning products professionals will use. That is the information I want to provide you, and this is the information regarding cleaning chemicals. And one thing I will say, that if you want to make cleaning chemicals, if you want to do as an independent entrepreneur, you should have a practical experience from 1 month to 6 months. Minimum 6 months experience is must regarding these products, and then only you will do independently being an entrepreneur. So try to do in that way. And one thing also I will say, that by seeing YouTube videos and in Google search also, you can see all these cleaning chemicals making and processing also. In YouTube video also, live details you can see making and processing cleaning chemicals. But one thing I will say, that all these will give a theoretical knowledge only. The practical experience, if you should have 1 to 6 months of experience under one manufacturing unit, then you will be successful being an independent entrepreneur, where everything you should get it, and then you can start it, then you will be successful. But one thing I will say, that in any type of business, not only chemicals and cleaning details, in every product, any business product, if you want to sell, means 70% will be the manufacturing cost and 30% will be your margin. Without 30% margin, how you can earn money? So 30% margin is genuine in anywhere. So please maintain that moral ethics scale, moral ethics. Such a scale, if you maintain in the long run, that is 70% working cost and 30% is your margin. If you maintain such a scale in your long run, you will get very good benefits. And one thing I will say, don't compromise regarding the quality. Customer will forget the cost for the time being, but quality will never forget at any time. So please maintain such very good quality. If cost increases also, don't worry about the cost. You can increase for your product. For others are selling about 50%, means you cannot sell likewise. But they will have their own problems, and your problem is yours. You should maintain your own fixed rates and common rates. Then only you will be successful. But one thing I will say, that don't compromise. Please don't compromise regarding the quality. If you maintain such moral ethics, you will get long run business and income also. And another fear also, generally any entrepreneur will have, that already I am doing very well, I am getting very good profits. Suppose if I want to jump it, how I have to close it? Don't worry about the closing thing. You can sell out to third party for a goodwill. That will be concept will be called as delivery submission to third party. That you can get the information regarding that in notary shops, and in if you contact a lawyer also, he will say everything regarding the documentation and all this. Then you can sell to third party. You will get more good. You will get goodwill. Goodwill means good money. You will get more than your the land cost, machinery cost, and workers and staff maintenance, and your business dealings, and turnover. Double to the turnover also, you will get very good goodwill also. So you will never lose at any time. If you want to close it after 5 years or 10 years also, you will never lose anything. Your risk will be counted in the name of goodwill also. So don't worry about that if you want to close it also. But don't close the unit, manufacturing unit, because by depending on the by depending on manufacturing unit, so many workers and staff and transporters will depend on you. They know very well to come to your transporters also, truck owners and all these also, they will come to your factory and supplying to other areas. They will be habituated to come and do that. So don't spoil their lives and don't close it. Always you should give only one concept, is delivery submission to third party. If you know that concept, you can completely you can sell out with a goodwill, and you will get very good profit, more than your turnover. Then you will be successful in the long run also, and you can jump to your other businesses also after 10 or 5 or 10 years after getting good income also. So don't worry about that, and wishing you all the best. May God bless you.